Okay, on your mark, set, go. Underway, we're doing the three-man competition.
Mechling's killing this. Brandon, you need to speed it up, bud.
Come on.
Remember, when you're done, you gotta suck the straw around 3 times.
Mechling's trying to do it in under 30 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
He's shaking more than men bigot.
You can do it, Mechling. You can do it. Oh.
Holy hell.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Come on, Ben. You can't have it in your mouth that long. Gotta swallow. Swallow it. Slurp it. Come on. 1-3. Is that done?
Done?
Yeah.
48 seconds.
Holy crap.
He's feeling the burn.
Ben's like...
So cold.
Brain freeze. Stick your tongue against the roof of your mouth.
110. Bryn Crow's pulling up the rear.
You're an animal.
Now you just got to keep it down until we get to work. Should be good. I mean, we could take that to go, Iron. Not a big deal.
Yeah.
Just remember, if it leaks out of your nose, you have to get it off the table. Yeah.
I can't tell if Ben's gonna bark or not.
He's gonna lose his ice cream one way or another.
Man, that's fast.
That is fast.
Huh? Yeah, I'm sure you did. You got blizzard sweats. The best part of this is I can't have sugar for 40 days and I'm watching you guys all eat these blizzards.
Jamming the
I told you, I broke
Look
the
how
sweat doing it.
pale Mechling is. Oh, dude, literally the colors out of your face.
Winning eating competitions is not fun.
It's just necessary.
And done. Anybody have Bryn?
Sorry.